The Nintendo Switch OLED model, The Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom Edition, is a must-have for fans of the iconic game series. This special edition console features stunning artwork inspired by Tears of the Kingdom, both on the dock and the Joy-Con controllers. With its vibrant 7-inch OLED display, enhanced audio, and 64 GB of storage, this model offers an immersive gaming experience. Whether docked or in handheld mode, it's perfect for enjoying your favorite Zelda adventures in style. This charging dock station for Joy-Con controllers is designed to charge up to 4 controllers simultaneously, making it compatible with both the Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED models. With its sleek and compact design, it offers a convenient and organized way to keep your Joy-Cons powered up and ready for gaming. Perfect for multiplayer sessions or regular use, this charging dock ensures that your controllers are always fully charged and within reach. Ideal for any Nintendo Switch setup. The Orzly Carry Case is a durable and protective travel case designed for both the Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED consoles. This hard shell case provides secure storage and protection for your console, while its interior pockets offer ample space for accessories, games, and cables. Compact and portable, it's perfect for gaming on the go, ensuring your console and gear stay organized and safe during travel. Ideal for any Nintendo Switch owner looking for a reliable and stylish carrying solution. The SanDisk 128GB microSDXC card, licensed for Nintendo Switch, provides ample storage space for your gaming needs. Officially licensed by Nintendo, this card offers reliable performance and fast loading times for your games and downloadable content. With 128 GB of capacity, it allows you to store multiple games, save files, and updates, making it an essential accessory for both the Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED consoles. Keep your favorite games ready to play with this high-quality memory card. Switch Wireless Pro Controller is a versatile and ergonomic one-piece controller designed for the Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED consoles. Offering full-size handheld mode, this controller ensures comfortable and immersive gaming sessions. It features customizable RGB lighting, a rechargeable battery, turbo functionality, and programmable buttons for enhanced gameplay. Ideal for both casual and competitive players, this sleek black controller delivers precision and convenience, making it a great